Every year, new diet trends promise faster weight loss, better health, and longer life. But what if the secret to a sustainable, healthy lifestyle isn't new at all? Throughout history, civilizations have experimented with fasting, plant-based diets, and even extreme restrictions, some with surprising success. So, what can we learn from the past? And which historical diet trends still hold up today? Let's explore the fascinating evolution of dieting and uncover what really works. Long before calorie counting, people ate based on survival, culture, and religious beliefs. Ancient Egyptians valued bread, beer, and honey, but their high-carb diet often led to dental issues and obesity. The Greeks and Romans promoted balance, focusing on fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean meats. Hippocrates himself believed that food is medicine. Ayurveda in India and traditional Chinese medicine emphasized eating for body balance, an approach still widely used today. These civilizations proved that diet isn't just about weight, it's about long-term well-being. Fasting isn't just a modern weight loss trick, it's been practiced for centuries. Intermittent fasting? The ancient Greeks and Romans swore by it for mental clarity and longevity. Religious fasting, like in Christianity, Islam, and Buddhism, was believed to purify the body and soul. Medieval monks would eat just one meal a day, unknowingly following a system that modern science now supports for metabolism and gut health. Is fasting a lost secret to health, or has modern science just caught up with ancient wisdom? Fast forward to the 19th and 20th centuries, and dieting became a business. The Victorian era introduced the first weight loss pills, often filled with dangerous substances. The 1920s and 30s pushed the idea of cigarettes as appetite suppressants, which was a disaster for health. The 1970s and 80s saw the rise of low-fat diets, which later proved to be misleading and ineffective. Each era chased the perfect diet, but history shows that quick fixes rarely last. So what do these historical diets tell us about what actually works? Balance wins over extremes. The Mediterranean diet, inspired by ancient eating habits, remains one of the healthiest today. Fasting has real benefits, but it should be done mindfully, just like ancient civilizations practiced. Natural foods matter. Processed foods are a modern invention, and history shows that whole foods keep people healthier longer. The key isn't finding the latest diet, it's returning to timeless habits that have stood the test of time. History proves that nutrition isn't about trends, it's about sustainability. By understanding the past, we can make smarter, healthier choices today. But with so much conflicting advice, what are the biggest diet myths we still believe today?